Hello, today we will be looking into a new use case regarding employee expense receipts processing workflow. As we all know, the accounting department needs to manage all the expense documents for each of the employees. And each of the employees send their documents in the mail. This is repetitive work and they have to manage the receipt for each of the employees. So in this use case, we will be demonstrating how we can reduce this repetitive work using RPA. So let's start with the demonstration. As we can see, we have multiple unread emails which have attachments. Each of these attachments will be having a payment receipt of an employee. As we can see currently, no folders have been created as you can see. What our RPA will do is read each mail and download each attachment and store it in specific folders. Now we will be running our RPA code which will be reading through each of the emails. After reading every email, it will check if a folder exists for that employee for that particular year, month, and date. If not, it will create and store the attachment in respective folders. The tool has been executed successfully. Let's look into the folders created by the RPA tool and check any one of the receipts that has been downloaded from the email. This process has now been completed by the RPA bot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or follow. And press the bell button for notifications to get the latest updates from Sunflower Lab.